Christ's sakes. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Christ. Oh my god. I'm gonna bring that other TV down, I think. Because you guys are gonna have this one all fucked up when I'm gone. It's too complicated for yous. Won't turn the TV on. There's a problem turning your TV on. So you fucked it up somehow.
Well, that button's on there. It shouldn't mess it up.
Damn it. What the fuck? I'd like to know what the fuck you did. Jesus Christ.